everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I come to you all the way from Corfu, Greece. In the background you can see the old fortress up against the marina and the water. Behind me is a beautiful old church. It's just an island off of Greece and it's been a really beautiful place. I'm glad we had the opportunity to explore here. But what am I here to talk to you about? I want to talk to you about the importance of a property manager and what that property management fee is. Last week I talked about an asset management fee, and so this week I want to talk about the property management fee. They might seem one and the same, right? It's like, okay, well, the asset management fee is what, the operator gets paid to make sure that the business plan goes as it's supposed to, but what does the property management fee include? So it includes three very important things. The first thing I want to talk to you about is that they offer market experience, and that is huge, right? When it comes to rent bumps, when it comes to amenities that are doing really well in the area, when it comes to just creative ideas on how to get different residents in, when it comes to resident events, right? They are implementing all of the things that they know work, right? And they understand the demand, they understand the rent growth, they understand the vacancies and how to get through them and what they happened, when they happen. And that's just super important because yes, we have looked into the market and we know how great Tulsa and Oklahoma City are, but they are there day in and day out, really understanding what's happening within the market. So the second thing is that they are executing the business plan, right? We have a meeting with them beforehand to make sure that they understand everything that is going on, but week by week, we have to make sure, are you hitting the KPIs? If they're not, what is happening? How can we make you hit them? Are you getting the washer and dryers in weekly or monthly? They are on the ground making sure that all of that is getting done when they do meet with those vendors and make sure the work is completed correctly. Even filling vacancies, getting new renters in there, turning everything, right? They need the vendors there in order to turn units. And so they are really, really important in the day-to-day for that business plan. And then the third thing too is that they're protecting your investment, right? And that is huge within itself. We need to make sure that they are taking care of the property, the exterior work, also making sure that the vendors are coming out to do the gardening and to make sure that the property still looks in good shape so that when people come and have that first impression, they know that the property is there, right? They know that the maintenance is cleaning up. They know that the staff on site is just taking care of the asset itself. It's huge to make sure that your property manager pretty much loves the assets as much as we do, and they understand what a syndication is so that they know all the work that goes into it to make it a really successful business. So those are the three main reasons why property managers are so important, and those are the three reasons why they get that property management fee. And it varies, some could be 2%, some could be as high as 10% of the growth income. And so it just varies by the size of the property and everything that entails within the business plan and just the market itself. But if you have any questions, please reach out. And if you like this video, please make sure to smash that video below and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.